I recommend John's class. Very, very interesting little quick inductions, fun to do, and I look forward to practicing them with my people, my friends, and future clients. Great job.
Okay, I just finished John Cerbone's training. It is well worth the time and energy. A lot of good inductions in there, and John's a good guy, and he really does his best. I would recommend you take it.
Oh my God, this conference, this workshop with John is awesome. I have never experienced the things that I experienced. There's so much information to learn. I'm sure that it sunk into my subconscious. We did a lot of role play, did a lot of hypnotizing everybody, and I just thought it was great. It was a really good experience.
Yeah, I got a call.
Hi, Patrick Ryan here from Yaletown Hypnosis in Vancouver, Canada at Hypnothoughts Live. Just had an amazing day with John Cerbone, learning a lot more induction techniques. I feel much stronger now, and I recommend you get down here and get the same for yourself.
Hi, just finished John's class. If you're serious about hypnosis, if you want to get people to be their best, you want to get people to drop any negative programming they have, John's your guy. He'll get it done quick, efficiently, and it'll make your friends or your community a much better place to live.
John's class. It was fantastic. I've been looking forward to this for quite some time now, and was getting lucky. I mean, I just saw this class coming in my neighborhood in the western side of the country, and I thought I couldn't have missed this opportunity. Took a flight in, flight out, just to attend this very special class today, and really appreciated every minute of it. It was a wonderful class. Looking forward to attending some more in future.
Hi, I'm Jerry. I came over from Switzerland, and John, I just want to thank you so much. I mean, wonderful trance and trance inductions, a really great thing to add to the toolkit. Great people, and thoroughly appreciated all of your work and everything that you put into this. So, thanks very much.
I want to recommend the John Cerbone class. This was an excellent class. I learned to do it the right way. That's the key. When you learn these things, learn it from a good man like John and learn it the right way. Thank you very much.
My pleasure. Thank you.